Ready? Updates. I know you want updates, but today I'm going to tell you to go to 3dprintingindustry.com and vote for us in the Company of the Year and the Value Added Reseller of the Year. But what is this I'm holding? Yes, it's for the 22 IDEX. There's some really cool updates coming out, and we've been pretty quiet about it, and I'll have more videos on it soon. So I'm just going to leave it at that. But go to 3dprintingindustry.com and vote because you can. No, go to 3dprintingindustry.com, vote for us in the Company of the Year and Value Added Reseller of the Year, and check out all the other cool categories and other great companies doing incredibly innovative work throughout the entire world. And thank you again just for watching our content, and give us a call if you got any questions about 3D printers, 3D scanners, materials, etc. We're here to help you take your business to the next level, whatever that may be. Thanks again for watching. Go to 3dprintingindustry.com and vote.